Hello and welcome back, student. Our today's topic is creating a query. So in last video we have discussed about what is query and how we are setting relationship in two tables. Okay, so we have discussed that in earlier video. So now in this video we will see about creating a query. How we will create a query. Query means any doubt. So here doubt means suppose you want to search a record of any student, suppose Sunil. So you can search the record with the help of query. Okay, so how we will create query we will see here. First of all, we have one table here, student detail, and another table is table 1, in which their total marks and percentage are written. So how we will create query we will see. So let's start. Okay, so there are two ways you can create query. First one is creating query using wizard. Second one is creating query using design. So we will start with creating query using design. Okay, so creating query using design. So first of all, what you have to do, first you have to come to a table, then you have to go and create tab. Okay, in create tab there is an option query design. In other group there is an option query design. Both options are present here, query design, query wizard. So we are discussing about query design. So what you have to do, you have to click on query design. So it will open one box, one window. Okay, so in this it is showing one dialog box in which it is asking by which table you want to take the detail, by which table you want to take the detail. If I want to take the detail only from one table, so I can select either one. Okay, if I want to take data from two tables, I can select another also. Okay, so basically we are discussing only for one table, but I am showing how you can take data from two tables also. You can connect these two by see how you will connect. You will go on roll number, right click there and drag it to another table in roll number, so it will create a link. Okay, which we have discussed earlier also. Okay, so like this you can do. Okay, now in query, what are the fields you want to enter in query. Means if I want to search any data, what are the details you want to search about that. First of all, suppose I want to search roll number, so what I will do, I will double click on it, so it will come here. Okay, now next I want the name, I will double click on it, it will come in second table. If I want class also, so I will click on class. If I don't want address and date of birth, I will leave it. If I directly want total marks, I can click on total marks and percentage also, and roll number is written here. Okay, now I will discuss about these things, these fields. We will discuss about these options, what are they. Okay, first of all, this upper pane where these boxes are there, it is called object relationship pane. Okay, object relationship pane, I am setting relationship, so it is called object relationship pane. And lower pane is called design grid. Okay, lower pane is called design grid, where you can design any query. Okay, so now first option is field. What is field? Field means which field name, which you can insert the field name, which field you want to insert in query. Second is table. By which table you want to insert that data. It is from student detail, it is from student detail, it is also from student detail. This one is from table 1 and this one is from table 1. Now sort. If you want to sort data, if you want to sort data according to roll number, you can set according to roll number, according to name also. If I want to sort data according to roll number, suppose ascending. Okay, and it is showing, so it is showing all these. If you will uncheck it, it will not show this data. Okay, so for showing the data you can check the box. Now next one is criteria. Means you can set the criteria. How you will set the criteria? Like if I want the data of class third only. Okay, if I want to search the data, if I want to search the data of class third only, I can write is equal to 3. Okay, if I want to search the data of only class 4, so I can write 4. Okay, so I can suppose write 3 here. So these are, and this or is for if you want multiple criteria. If you want one more, so you can insert one more. Okay, if you want one more, then you can insert in or. In or you can insert multiple criteria. Okay, so done. This one is done. Now what you have to do? Now this was done. Now what you will do? Now you have two options. Either you can, if you want to directly see the table, if you want to see the directly table that these data you want to see directly, you can click on run button. After clicking run button, it will show you the table with the roll number, name, class, total marks. These field name we have selected roll number, name, class, total marks in percentage. And also one thing, I have set criteria of class third only. Okay, see here, class third only. It is showing data of class third, but these data are from two tables, not from single table. Okay, these data are from two tables. Okay, so this is the, okay, now you have done this, but I am showing you with two table. We can do with single table also. Okay, I am removing one table and I am telling you about from one table only. I have shown you the output also. Now see, we have selected three things: roll number, name, class. If I will not, suppose I will select address also, then date of birth also. But here I set the criteria class third. If I will change it to class 4, so it will show the data of class 4th only. Now what you have to do, you have to go in query and right click there. There is close option. Click on close button and it will show one dialog box. It will ask, do you want to save? Click on yes. Now give it any name, query, test query. If I will give it to name that test query and click OK. So see, it is showing the data, roll number, name, class. Where is test query? See here. Here it is in navigation pane. See at the navigation pane on left side, it is showing your query, that is test query. Double click on it, so it is showing data of class 4th student with name, class, attendance, address and date of birth. All the things only of class 4, but you have this much of data, but it is showing only class 4 data. So this is the query. In query you put on the doubts, and that doubt, here doubt means you want to search any data, you want to see any data. Now you have seen, now you got your data. You, if you want to edit, you can edit it also. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, so if you want to change, after changing, click on save button. Now see, have you seen one thing? Okay, I am doing again. This is, suppose this is Mayank. See, its roll number is 5 and it is Mayank. If I change the name Mayank from Mayank to Naman, okay, I am changing the name from Mayank to Naman. Now I am saving this file again. Control plus S, I am saving this file. Now it is saved. Okay, now it is saved. Now if I will go back to student detail, this name changes there also. See, in 5 roll number name is changed, Naman. Again one more I will do, this Ankit I will change to Abhinav. Okay, I am changing the name from Ankit to Abhinav. This is roll number 2 and I will click on save button. Either you can save it from here also. Save. Okay, now it is saved. Now go back to student detail. Now see at roll number 2 Abhinav is there. Okay, so this is query. In query you can edit data also, you can delete data also, and you can modify also. Okay, so this is query using design view. Okay, this is only a single, I have set only single criteria. If I will set multiple criteria, how I will set multiply criteria? See here, go on create tab, go on design. Now student detail, add. I select one table. Now roll number, name, class, address, date of birth. Okay, Now I will select the first. I have selected the class third. In or means if you want to select multiple criteria, if you want to select more than one criteria, if I will select class fourth also, so I can select class fourth also. Now what you have to do, you have to right click here and close. It will ask save, yes, then give test query 2. Okay, now see your test query 2 is here. Okay, now your test query is here. Now it is showing data of class 4th also and class 3rd also, all data, but I have not given that query that either it is in ascending or descending, so it is showing me data randomly. Okay, so it shows the data randomly. Got it? So this is the data with 4th and class 3rd data. Okay, this is the query with class 3rd and 4th data. So this much is in this video. In next we will see how we will create query using wizard. Okay, query using wizard. We have done query using design. Thank you.